Hello and welcome everybody to Tuesday's Tips and Tricks with WorkPoint. Did you know that with WorkPoint you can create projects with commands in Microsoft Teams? I will show you how. Here we are currently chatting with a colleague of our organization. Our colleague is asking us if we can create a new project called Roofing Project for a company called Tronics. Of course, we could go into the solution and create one, but with this trick, it is much easier and faster directly in Teams. We type in the chat, add projects and click enter. Then we can type in the command create project. If we then hit the enter button again, the create project wizard will open directly. We can now fill in the title and select the company and click the save button to create the project in WorkPoint. In the list of projects you can see the roofing project for Tronics. Amazing, right? Very easy, and you don't have to leave the Teams interface. So keep up to date with our next Tuesday's Tips and Tricks with WorkPoint episode. Bye.